Okay, so counting treasure. This treasure chest was holding a lot of treasures. Let's count them. Let's count these first.
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many necklaces?
4.
4. So do you know how to write the number 4?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna write it right here at the bottom line. I see you tracing them. Let me see. Can I see the marker? You're gonna trace the number 4 right here for him. Okay? Go ahead. Okay. Now, how many crowns are there?
4.
Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many?
5.
Can you write the number 5 right there?
Mm-hmm. Which one?
Let's see. Want me to write it first? I'll write it over here and then you write it on the line.
4.
5.
5.
Okay. There you go. So this line at the bottom won't be there because it goes back like that, like this. Okay? You can erase it with the eraser. Did it go away?
Nope.
Okay. Well, that's okay. Alright, so let's count the
3
coins.
monies.
Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Can you touch them one by one? Not your hands, silly. Let's count one by one.
1. By
Yeah.
1.
You do it. 1,
2, 3, 4. 4. 1. I mean, 4.
Okay, we have 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
how many?
8.
8. Let's practice writing the number 8.
8.
That looks like 1. So an 8 has 2 circles like that, like a snowman. I'm gonna do another circle down here like this. It's gotta touch it, okay? Very close. I'll show you. This is what the number 8 looks like.
Oh, turn off.
It's okay. This is what the number 8 looks like. 2 circles like a snowman.
Okay.
Here you go. Now we're gonna count how many cups are there.
No. Winners.
Oh, those are trophies?
Yeah, trophies.
Oh. How many trophies are there?
1, 2, 3.
3. So this is how we write the number 3. Look at my finger. Yeah, that's the number 3. All right, what's that sound? A dolphin.
A dolphin.
Mm-hmm. Trace the dolphin line.
That's easy.
Uh-oh. All right, now we're gonna trace the rabbit hop. Or do you want to do the...
That's too hard either.
Okay, let's do the eagle glide. All right, let's do the rabbit hop.
That's too hard.
It's not, you just go like this. You're forgetting some lines there, buddy. I'm gonna show you. Like this, look. Look. Let me model it for you. Like this. There you go. Your turn. No, you gotta try it. Go ahead. You're gonna go back up.